given this problem statement, if L is the variable here, be the ratio of the roots of the quadratic equation in x, that is 3 times m square times x square plus m times m minus 4 times x plus 2 is equal to 0, and the values of m satisfy this given equation, that is L plus 1 over L, that is equal to 1. So in that case, the arithmetic mean of the values of m is the quantity which we need to compute, right? So now we'll proceed towards the solution. So here, let the given quadratic equation in x, right? So this equation is given here, so I'll just replicate this one here, and here one condition that is important here is m should not be equal to 0, right? So comment below the reason behind this. Have the roots, so here we can consider the roots as a and b for our assumption, a and b. So in that case we can say the sum of roots, that is a plus b, will be equal to negative of coefficient of x, that is m times m minus 4 over coefficient of x square, that is 3 times m square, right? And then next, the product of this, the product of the roots, that is ab. So ab will be equal to the coefficient, right, that is this particular number with which this x power 0 is associated, right? So here this will be 2 and coefficient of x square, that is over 3m square, so 2 over 3m square. Now also this is also given, it is also given also that L will be equal to a over b, the ratio of the roots, if a and b are the roots, so the ratio is given as L, right? So now we'll proceed with this given equation, that is L plus 1 over L, that is equal to 1. Now here, for this, instead of this L, I can substitute here a over b, because this is given in the problem statement, and this can be written as b over a, that is equal to 1. Now on resolving this, the denominator will be a times b and the numerator would be a plus b, that is equal to, so sorry, this will be a square plus b square, which is equal to 1. And from this we can write a square plus b square, that is equal to a times b. And you can observe here, this entire equation can be written as a square plus b square minus 2 times, so sorry, this can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2 times ab, and here this is equal to ab. So on subtracting this ab on both the sides, this becomes 3 times ab, and here it is 0. So this is the equation which we are having over here. Now maybe I can just keep this 3ab over here as well, right? So let me just remove this part. So I have added, you can effectively say that I have added 2 times ab on both the sides, right? Now if you can observe here, so we can make our replacements, right? So instead of a plus b, so let me just replicate this. Instead of a plus b, I can write negative of this quantity, right? So a plus b can be substituted here, and a times b, which is given as 2 over 3, right? So this one 3 times the product of ab. So this 3 is effectively cancelled out from here, right? Now after resolving this equation or these expressions, I can write this one as, this one can be written as m square times m minus 4 whole squared, right? And this would be 9 times m to the power 4, which is equal to, this will be definitely be 2 over m square. Now you can observe here, this m square will be cancelled with this, so that will be m square again, and this m square will get cancelled out with this. So after the resolution of this one, we will be getting m minus 4 square, that is equal to 9 times 2, that is 18, and this m square, and here m square over m power 4, this gets cancelled out over here, right? considering that m is not equal to 0, which is indeed true, and we have established this fact here, right? So from this, now on solving this, I will be getting m square minus 8 times m and then negative 2 here, that is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic, and on solving this, m will belong to this set. So one element would be 4 minus 3 times square root of 2, and the other root would be 4 plus 3 times square root of 2. Now these are the two roots for m. Now the arithmetic mean, right? So from this we can say, so the arithmetic mean of the values of for this values of m will be equal to, so this 4 plus 3 times square root of 2, right, in the numerator, and then plus 4 minus 3 times square root of 2 over 2, and on solving this we will be getting the answer as 4. So therefore the answer to this problem statement is 4, and hence we have solved this problem statement.